Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming 7-Zip is installed and updated. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder with your archive. Right-click the file to reveal the 7-Zip menu. This is where you begin extracting. If the format shows 7Z, zip, RAR, or compressed tar variants, make a mental note since extraction options can differ. Once you've right-clicked, choose either Extract Here or Open Archive to inspect contents before deciding where to place extracted files. Open the archive with 7-Zip to preview contents and verify what you'll extract. This avoids cluttering your folders. Once satisfied, click Extract, pick a destination path, and set options like Overwrite Behavior. This is useful when merging files. If the archive is password protected, enter the password when prompted. Without it, extraction will fail. Make sure your destination has enough disk space and use the Test button in 7-Zip to validate archive integrity before a full extract. After extraction, open a sample file to confirm it operates. This ensures the process completed correctly. If files won't open or extraction stops, check the archive size against the original and run 7-Zip's test to detect corruption. Mismatched sizes often indicate incomplete downloads. If corruption appears, try re-downloading the archive or ask for a fresh copy, and consider using 7-Zip's repair options or alternative extractors as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.